Jump in bed and cover up your head, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.
Hello, my dear crafters! One more project for your craft fairs and your Christmas gifts. And look at these. How beautiful are these? Just a nail holder, but look how gorgeous that is. So I will show you how to make these. You have seen me last year. I had a tutorial on how to make a nail file holder that was similar to this, so check my playlist. But this one, honestly, look at that, because it's a die set. It really makes a huge difference. Last year I sold quite a few. I'm sure this year is going to sell out. We'll see. You see my how I did on my craft fair, and look at that. Use your beautiful paper. But I really think it makes a difference to have this die set. So I'll show you how I'm going to wrap it. So it's going to be in a plastic bag with this topper here. And that's how I'm going to showcase it during my craft fair, because I think it makes a difference and people don't have to be touching the real thing. So they have this plastic to protect it, and it does add a little bit of, you know, charm to your gift. So let me show you a few, just so you have some ideas. It comes with this beautiful bottle here. It's a nail polish bottle because it is a nail file. And look at that. So many ideas. Use your papers. This one I used the jewel. That's the one we're going to put together today. And I added this at the end. So look at that. It comes with this beautiful bowl that you can use, the bottle. And look at that. This is one of my favorite because you guys know I love my foil. So that's our project today. Let me show you the dies first, and then I will have, and of course I'll have the link below, and then I'll show you how to put it together, okay? So before we put one together, I want to show you both dies. One is an add-on, which is this one here. They're both by KS Crafts. And on the left here, we have the main die. So with the main die, you make this one here. So you have everything to make. You have the bow. See, you have the bow here. You have this little nail polish. I love that. The nail polish bottle here that you can use as like an embellishment. You have this that I do not have here, but let me show you another one. That's this area here, this embellishment here. And you have the main body. So you have the stitched part, the long part here, and also with the one that goes inside here. So you can get this outline. And I bought the add-on. The add-on is for this. It's basically so that you have this part here. It's different, see, because this one is round. This one is straight. So the add-on, you basically get the die for the front, which is this, and you get this embellishment here, the little buttons, and this here, which is the belt and the buckle, why did I say bucket? The buckle, and this as another option for you to use, and I'll show you one with it. So this one here, see? So you have that option. So it's two dies, one that goes with the other, but both are great. If you just want this one that has these embellishments here, fine. But you have to know this is an add-on, so it doesn't come with the long part. In order to make this, you need this. This can be bought separated and just have one for this style here, not a problem. So you don't need to have the other one. But if you want the Christmas one, that's the add-on, okay? So with that clarified, I'm going to show you how to put it together, and you see how easy it is. And I actually today made maybe, I don't know, 40 of those. I just showed you a few. Let me just show you how. First of all, this is going to be like the front of the dress. Let's just say it's a dress. We're going to zoom in. I want you to see this up close. I'm going to put this aside. We're going to first work on this, and then this is the fun part. You guys know that I love the embellishing and the decorating part more than the die cutting for sure. Die cutting sometimes can be quite a lot of work. So we're going to put the top on. Just gonna hold it a little bit more because this paper is one of those glittery ones. These two here, they're gonna come down. I'm gonna put 2 buttons. I'm not gonna do 3. So just 2. One here. I actually, when I bought this, I didn't know that it was an add-on. One of those things that you see the end result and you don't read the thing. So I had to wait a few days so that the add-on would arrive. Here I put some double-sided adhesive just to make it easier for the video, which never makes it easier to peel it off though. There you go. Nope, sorry about that. You guys know how it is with double-sided adhesive. I'm just gonna put a little more here. And this goes on top of this skirt here. I don't even know what this is. I'll call it skirt. So you go put it on top. And there you go. Press it down. And now we're going to glue it on the dress. The fun part about this is choosing the papers. So it will go right here. And we have the front done. Look, how cute is that? It's hard to see because of the light, but it's pink. I have 3 of those. I can't find it. It's probably under my carpets here. I have a rug here, not the carpet, but the rug. So there you go. Here's how you put, let's put the front together. So we have the die already makes these 2 folding places here, because that's how it is on the side. All we need to do is, well, first of all, I'm going to put this on the back just so we have another layer, because this paper that I'm using is not very sturdy. So I wanted to make sure. You can use this inside or outside. I'll show you, okay? I'm gonna use this one outside, on the back. Outside, what I mean on the back. So there. So this is gonna be the front. It's the same paper, and this is gonna be the back, okay? Could be either one, actually, because this can just turn to the. Let me see what looks best. Here or here. I think I'm gonna make this the front. So I'm gonna make that the front. So this will go like that. I'm gonna put some glue just here on this lap here. This folding lap. And now you glue the front. Let me just push this down. You just glue this right here. And you're done. How easy is that? So we have our, see, sideways, that's what it looks like. All we need to do is glue the top. But I'm just going to reinforce to make sure this doesn't come off. And usually what I do is I just glue the top part here, this part, like that. So you just press it down, make sure that these curves here coincide, one on top of the other. Press it on the side and you're done. How easy is that? Like I said, what takes time is the die cutting. But to put it together is very fast, very easy, and all we need now, I'm not sure I'm gonna do it now because you have to wait until these glues. And it takes a while, a few minutes for that to be secure. And you just add, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna add it and then glue again. See, it came off because I didn't give it time. But if I just add some more glue here, I'm just gonna press it down and hold it. It should be okay. So there you go. How easy is that? Let me get some more examples for you. It's a great die set to have. I really recommend it. It will be, last year I sold a lot of these, and I'm sure that I'm going to sell more. So there you go, some more examples for you. Let me get another different one. There you are. Well, let me know what you think, okay? Thank you so much, and yeah, have a great day.
Been bad and cover up your head 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.